Hi guys, so I'm here at Goodwill. It's about to close, so we came super fast. I'm with my little cousins, but they don't want to be on camera, so yeah. So I'm just gonna go through the sections and show you guys like where I look to find the different items, and then yeah, okay.
Ooh, this is some good
No, the
quality.
other angle. Do I look cute?
Yeah, you look good with all those.
Okay, so the sections that we usually focus on are like the plates and the bowls. Samantha, shut the fuck up. So the plates and the bowl section, and you want to go by like the clear stuff, just because that makes it look a little bit more sleek. So for example, to put some sponges, I got this little bowl, and it is $1.99. And I also found this little bowl, which is 99 cents. I'm gonna take this one because it's cuter and it's cheaper, so let's see. And then remember to put everything back where you found it. I like that.
Just go.
This is actually an ashtray. I have plenty of these at home. I have like 3. So here, this is where like the cigarette goes. But I really like them for dividing. Like if you want to place foundations and stuff like that. You can also put like your dip brow or whatever on here. So that's also good for separating. And it looks kind of cute, like a little plate. Or you can also use it for jewelry. So you put like necklaces or bracelets, and then you put like your rings and your earrings or something like that. Just make sure to wash it good with like Clorox or shit.
Bleach?
That's Clorox, ma'am. Okay, so in this little section where they have is next to like the antiques, so you can see the dolls. There's the dolls. So you can see the dolls, and they have like antique stuff. I found this unicorn like jewelry thingy. Samantha, stop.
Sorry,
It has a mirror on it and stuff, and you have to clean it off, but we can clean it up. We can clean it up when we get home. And then I also found this little plate, and it looks really old and janky, but I really like how like antique it looks. Okay, so where the vases are, like where you put flowers and stuff, I found this like rectangular one, so you can put your brushes. It's a longer one, but I feel like for eyeshadow brushes it's really good, and it's only $1.99. Okay, so we just got out of Goodwill. We kind of had to hurry up because they were closing. We went there like super late, so we got the goods, and now we're just gonna go home. Okay, do you guys want to be in it?
No, ew.
It's
Don't cut that.
cut. Okay, so I'm back home. I know this lighting is really weird, but I have my box lights back there, and I'm just gonna do everything on this table because, as you can see, that table has all my makeup, so it's very crowded. I didn't get a lot of stuff from Goodwill, but I wanted to show you guys how I was able to find these things in order to organize my makeup and just make it look prettier and just easier to manage and all of that. I know you're not going to find these exact pieces, but maybe it'll give you a little bit of an idea as to what to look out for and what you can use it for. So this is a bowl. It's kind of like the one that I got from Goodwill. Excuse my double chin. It's just like a glass bowl that's really dusty. But I have here all of my lip balms, basically anything like lip balm related, or any moisturizing thing for my lips is just in here. And that's just how I keep it in this nice little compact bowl. I just put it in my vanity and I just keep it like that. It looks cute. It looks, I don't know if you can see it. It looks cute in my opinion. It just, everything is just organized. And that's kind of what this little bowl was. So as you can see, this is kind of like the same type of bowl, and it's different designs. I really like the design that this has. Excuse my nails. Yeah, and this one was 99 cents, as you can see. My sponges are really dirty, so just excuse them, but I didn't have time to wash them. But you can just put your makeup sponges like that, and you can just grab them, and it gives them enough like air so that you can they can dry out, because sponges, you do have to use them wet. You can just put this on a little like a little corner table on your room, or even in like your living room or anything like that, and you can just do this like a key drop off. So you just drop off your keys, you get home from work, let's pretend these are keys, you just get home from work or school and you just put your keys in there, and you know where to find them every time. Now here's another type of bowl that I've gotten at Goodwill, and this is just really cute. I feel like I really like the color. I really like the rose. It looks kind of elegant in my opinion, and it's kind of dirty, so don't mind. This is makeup. And then here I just put like some really tangled necklaces, some earrings, some rings, and this is my iPhone like opener thingy, and just like that's what you would have. And you can have that in your vanity next to your perfumes, anywhere, wherever you get ready, that's what you can have it. And then there's a similar one. So these are from two different thrift stores. I didn't get it at the same time, but I really like these type of like little plates. And this is another similar one. This one has like a chip right here, but I did that because I dropped something on it. I think it was like a cup or something. So I dropped something on it and it broke some of the pieces. But here I have like for when I'm doing my makeup and my hairs bother me, I just have these little clips. This I just put in there, but I have these little tweezers. I also have a bobby pin, and then these are just some earrings that I have that need to be in here because they're gold and I don't want to lose them. So yeah, and I just have that, and it looks kind of messy because of what I have in here, but I didn't rearrange anything. This is exactly how I have it in my room. I want to keep it as real as possible. But if you take everything out, it's super pretty, and obviously you can wash this. I've had these for about a couple years now, so I need to wash them because they're super dusty. The other item that I got was this vase. It's a clear vase, and I really like it because it's a rectangular kind of shape. It's actually plastic. It's not glass. It feels like glass, but at the top it feels like plastic. I don't know. But this was $1.99, so it wasn't expensive. So what I really like this for is for brushes. As you can see, it's like pretty tall, but you can just put your brushes in here. And you can do some like even eyeshadow brushes, and then it just looks like really sleek. You can even add some of those like colorful crystal like little balls that they sell at like Dollar Tree to make it a little bit more cute. ASMR. So I just had like these little beads and buttons just laying around, and then if you want to add a little bit more like height to it or something like that, you can just place it, or to keep the brushes in place, you can do that. So that's just a cute little way of displaying your brushes if you want to display them. The other item that I got from Goodwill was this. I really like this. This is just, this was $2.99. Let me take it off. Oh, this is cool. It says made in India. It says made in India. I don't know if you can see, but it was made in India. That's so awesome. It's like, how did it get up here? How did it get into my vanity right now? So I need to find out what type of metal it is to sanitize it. But I'm just gonna put some rings in here just because rings you can easily clean. And you can just put your rings and then like some necklaces, and it's just like a cute jewelry holder. If you want to use it more for like makeup and stuff like that, you can just add your things and just add them in there like that. If you want to use this for like a little zen tray, like a zen tray or something like that, you can also do it for that. For example, you can have like a little candle. You can add like a little shell. This is some of my heating oil, so you just warm them up and it smells really good. You can add like your little crystal, more heating oils, and you just do like that, and you can just display that in your room. Have it like some lights or something like that. So it's really nice decor, and it makes random things that probably wouldn't look good by themselves. It kind of gives them like a little aesthetic vibe. So I feel like it would also be really pretty to display some of your perfumes. And these are just the current ones that I'm using, but you can just display them. And I feel like that's also really cute. Okay, so this is the unicorn like jewelry box that I found, and I need to clean it and all of that. I have my Windex ready to clean it, but I need to clean it. But if you open this, there's a mirror inside, which is really cool because I don't know, I just feel like it gives it like a different vibe. So if you put like some rings in here and stuff like that, like I just think that's really pretty. It has a little chain, so it's broken, This was $4.99. It is broken, but it's fine. It's just like a little chain. I can definitely fix it, and it just holds it. It props the thing like that so it doesn't go and smacks into anything. I have to clean it and all of that. It is a little bit wobbly, but I'm pretty sure it's really old. But it's definitely super pretty, and it's a unicorn. Isn't that like the coolest thing? I'm pretty sure this was sitting in somebody's attic for a really, really long time. It doesn't say anything on it or anything, but I just thought this was such a cool piece, just for display, even like just to keep it like that. I feel like it's super pretty. Another thing that I do is these little bowls that I got from Dollar Tree, where I cut my mascara from. I keep all of my liquid lipsticks. They're very unorganized, but I try to keep them on here. I also have these little trays that I got from Dollar Tree, and they're just the acrylic little trays, and you just keep everything in here, and it looks kind of bougie. It looks like everything that the influencers use, but it's just this. And it's pretty big. It fits a lot of things on there, and they're very durable. I've had them for a really long time. Another one that I have, this one is from Dollar Tree as well. It's kind of like a snack divider, like for parties, but it has the 3 sections. As you can see, it has the 3 sections right here, and I just keep my highlighters, my blushes, and my bronzers and powders. So it's just a really cute way to display it. Like if you like displaying your makeup, it kind of keeps it organized. Everything is not just rumbling around. It's all in one little section. And I know it might seem just like containers, but it can help you be a little bit more organized with your vanity. Right now my vanity is looking kind of crazy, so that's very hypocritical of me. But I'm just trying to provide ways that if you want to display your makeup, it's pretty easy. I mean, it's not easy for a lot of people, but if you want to display your makeup, you can do it. You definitely can. You make it look a little bit bougie, and you don't have to spend that much money. You don't have to go to like all of these websites where you can buy out like the real acrylic stuff. You can just get things for the low, and it's really cute, intricate pieces that you can find and add to your collection, which not a lot of people would have, or and no one will have. Like for example, this piece, like who do you know is gonna have this? No one. And I just think it's such a nice statement piece. I'm pretty sure I keep talking about this, but I just really like it, and it's just really pretty, and to me it's just, I don't know, it's just really nice. I hope that I was able to help you out with figuring out how to display your makeup, or how to organize it, or even just how to organize things around the house, and where you can find these things, and what to look for, because I know it can be a little bit overwhelming when you're like at a thrift store or anything like that. But I've been shopping at thrift stores for so long, and I'm not ashamed to say it, because you can find the coolest things there, and that's definitely awesome. And to me, I think that really cool, intricate things are more valuable than high-end like acrylic makeup holders and stuff like that. I don't know, I just personally am like that, and if it looks good, who cares where it came from? As long as it makes you happy and it adds value to your collection, that's all that matters. I want to thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you clicking on this video. If you are not subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like this type of content, or if you want me to do any type of like how to save money, or how to like organize your life or whatever, even though my life is so hectic. But if you want some tips and tricks as to how I like to purchase things, or where I like to get my things from, definitely comment down below. Comment down below your favorite piece. My favorite piece was definitely this. I think this is so cool. I know that Goodwill has like a specific section for different things, but you can find these things at any type of thrift store. You can even find them at garage sales, anything like that. You just have to know a little bit of what you're looking for. Like for example, I really like these like antique type of things, also like the little heart bowls that I have. So I really like displaying those. It kind of looks like an old like little grandma house, which I really like. My mom says I have grandma tastes. I don't know what that means, but grandmas out there, y'all have great taste, okay? Let me just say that. That's kind of a little bit of how I organize my things, and how I get my where I get my inspirations from. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and thank you. Bye.